sunroof, right? Or no? Oh, I don't think so. Maybe. Dang, it's a big body. Okay. This is so big.
And it has a warranty too.
Guys, I look crazy right now, but I'm test driving this car. It's a big body. Let me show you. First of all, let's get into the double sunroof. Bro, if I don't get this car, I don't know if I'm gonna post this. I might just post this if I don't, and you guys are just gonna laugh at me about how excited I am. But like, we gotta take a. Let me show you this car. So I'm not gonna do too much. I'm gonna just show you what I can. So look and look. Instead of like flicking a thing, like pushing a thing to the side, it's a button. It's a button, and then even the lights are like, oh, what? I've never had that. They're usually like on this for the cars that I have. This is very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Very nice, very nice. The camera is great quality. Like, look at that. I can see the whole parking lot. This charging port down there, mad space. Let me cover my ID. All of that space, like what? Man, yeah, this is so nice. And keys. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's just like the driving range. I feel so high up, like my feet are like just touching the floor. Like I'm not resting them or anything. My legs not out of awkward position. I'm gonna show you guys the back. Okay, so here's the back. So nice. Very nice. There's enough space in here, I feel like, and the seats are probably still high up. Pockets, charging outlet. I don't know what this is for. I think this is, oh, where the air goes. Vents at the top. Love that. Double sunroof, like I said. The seats go down, and there's a third row, but it's under this WeatherTech mat. Hello, like bougie. Okay. But yeah, I love it. I hope I get it. So stay tuned to see if I get it.